Hi, my name is Monu Kumar, and this is the second part of our homework where we have to containerize our application using Docker. So let's dive into it. So first of all, this I will tell you about this project. So this is a conversational agent which is built using Bedrock and Olama integration. So for this containerization, we will require Docker, AWS ECR, and EC2. So let's create a ECR repository first. So go to the AWS and just search ECR, and you should create a repository here. You can give any name like test, and just you should create. I have already created a repository that's named conversational agent. So this is a ECR repository which we will push our Docker image to this from our local system. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, you need a Docker in your local environment, like your computer or PC if you are using, and you will require these two files, dockerfile.server for multi-stage build and docker compose.yml service configuration. So I will show you about this one. So this is my Docker file server. You can see here it contains some script to create a jar and expose the port. Here you can see, and there is a docker compose.yml where you should give your credential and your service configuration. So here you have to replace with your actual access key ID and secret key, and then you will be able to create a Docker image. So how you should do that? Let's roll back this if we want to run. So we will create an image, and one more thing, you have to give this IAM policy to your user. So this is EC2 container registry full access and ECS full access. So you just go to your users, IAM users, and just search for these two policies, and you can add this. So how you gonna do that? So first of all, you will build a Docker image in your local computer. So I am using BuildX that will create a Docker image, and this will load for Linux environment. You can see here Linux. I will show you how to do it. So I have already created an image on my local system using these commands. I will show you. So just go to the IntelliJ command line and do Docker images. You can see I have created an image here, that is latest one, and then you can push this image to ECR using these commands. So first of all, you need to log into your ECR through your local terminal, and then you create a tag and push to ECR. When you will push this image to ECR, this will looks like this kind of. You go to your repository name, and you can see the image here. So what is the next step? Next step, you have to deploy on EC2. So first you need to create an instance of EC2. I have already one, so I am not gonna create that. And then you have to install Docker there. Then so you can pull the image from ECR, and then this command helps you to run that Docker that pulled image on your EC2 instance. So I will show you how you can do that. So I have already I have already pulled that image from ECR. If you again pull that image, it will just update that image. Let's see what is the status of our Docker. So I have already run that. Just kill that, and then again we will try to run that. So you need docker kill command and just give a container ID, and it will kill that container. Let's check out docker ps. Nothing is here. We have already pulled that image, so we can run that. So this command will helps you to run. This will run on 8080. So you can see here it created a container named this one. Now you can see this Containerization is running here. So let's test this container EC2 using some endpoints, which is APIs. So I have some APIs to, you can check when you will hit that. So if you want in detail, you should check this readme docker md, and you will get a detailed information of that. I have saved some curl here. I will show you. This curl is for health checkup only. So go to your terminal or just go to your Postman, import this curl, and just hit that. That's all. Server is healthy. Let's check another one. Let's check this bedrock. Go to your Postman, import this curl. Let's try to hit that. It will take 3-4 seconds. Unable to respond this request. Let's play with some query prompt. Send again. Yeah, you got the result. Sometimes it happens with this bedrock. So now we are getting all the response. If you want to check the logs, you can also do that. So you have to do docker logs and just give your container ID. That's all. You can see here all your logs. So I think that's all about this deployment on Docker using Docker image. If anything happens, like you want to troubleshoot, you should check your Docker logs, verify container is running or not. And the important thing, if you want to hit from outside, you have to give this 8080 port, allow this 8080 port from your EC2 instance. I will show you what is the meaning of there. You just go there, you go to the security thing, and you just add a inbound rule, this one, which will enable you to get a request from here. So that's all about, guys. It's all about containerizing our application. Feel free to check out this readme docker. It has a detailed steps for deploying images on EC2 via ECR. Thanks, guys.